pieces. I started recording but didn't have enough space on my phone because I didn't delete some of the older videos. So also my phone's at like 13% now, so I'm gonna have to still make this quick. What did I say last time? Oh yeah, so this is for Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus, and well, the main important bit is that this resonates. If this doesn't resonate, that's completely fine. You can just pretend this video never existed and just, I don't know, drop it off the face of your memory, like just drop it off the cliff of your memory, basically, but wipe it from your memory, pretend it never existed, ignore it. You don't have to try and force it to resonate. You can take bits that do resonate and leave what doesn't also. And also you can also have your own interpretation. Like I may say something that's for someone else, and then you see the card and like, okay, this and that has a message that clearly is for me, but I didn't say it, but you feel it. And what matters most is what your intuition is telling you. That's what, honestly, because your intuition is there to guide you. So if your intuition is telling you something, follow that. Even if it contradicts what I'm saying, follow your own intuition. Yeah, follow your own intuition. What else is there? I think I said everything. Okay, so wedding, trust, new love. Four of Pentacles, Four of Pentacles, Four of Wands, Three of Wands, Six of Cups. I didn't realize at first, but 4, 4, 3, and 6. 3 times 3 is 6. Oh, no, 3, what am I saying? 3 plus 3 is 6. And you have 2 4s, so 44. So if you're interested in numbers, numerology, that is for you. You can look up the meaning of those numbers. I don't really know meaning of numbers. And there's one tarot reader that I watched, and she said something about how the meaning of the numbers is was like made up. Okay, I'll say made up by the people who have certain associations with those numbers based on their own life experiences, and the meanings of those numbers may be different for you than it was for them. So she did a video about pick a card for which number is actually meant. What meaning a number has for you, basically. So for example, if you've been seeing 222s, you pick 2, and then the specific meaning for you rather than what's on the internet. She'll say it. Just so you know that you could have your own meaning for a number. Just so you know that. Okay, just so you know. Maybe it helps someone out there. So anyways, 4 of Pentacles, 4 of Wands. And you do also have the King of Pentacles this is at the top of the deck. This is under it. See, it's falling out. And then this is under the whole deck. So lots of Pentacles. What's on? Okay, Swords. So lots of Pentacles. So I said before I ran out of storage space, that with the Four of Pentacles and the King of Pentacles and the Ace of Pentacles, you're good at saving money, making money, and spending money. So with the Ace of Pentacles especially, money, they see you as someone who money flows to very easily. And like you have a talent of money, basically. And they see you as someone who money flows to easily, or you're just simply good at making money, or good at finding ways to make money. Maybe even finding different ways to make money. See, variety here. But also good, like having a high status of some sort, or simply knowing how to spend money. The thing of a king who knows where to spend his money, what to buy, where to go for the clothes and things like that, which restaurants to eat at. And again, just knowing how to spend your money responsibly with the Four of Pentacles as well, and the King, both of them together, knowing how to spend your money responsibly, and how to save money. Okay, so with the Four of Wands, I was saying before, with the feet, the first time I explained this, was that it's like you're a natural at dancing, but at the same time, I said natural, but with two meanings, double meaning. First of all, maybe they see you as being a natural at dancing, or they simply enjoy dancing and listening to music with you. It doesn't have to be professional sort of dancing. You don't have to be good at dancing. Just simply enjoying the beat of the song. And also they see you as someone who is quite in tune with nature, maybe even quite down to earth, or has a really in-depth understanding of the world you walk on. Like, I guess the world is your house, maybe, with like walking barefoot. Trying to zoom in on that. Yeah, walking barefoot on the grass, or dancing barefoot. I'm gonna need to drink some water soon. So yeah, it's safe for you to love here. And past life relationship. Oh yeah, I mentioned before, and I'll mention again. Past life relationship. Six of Cups. Past life relationship. So it could be that you're okay. But this depends on your beliefs. like if you believe in past life relationships or whatnot. So if you do believe in past life relationships, it could be that they see you as a past life relationship, or you could have literally known each other before. Like for example, if you've met at a maybe school, maybe you went to school together, but you weren't that close, or you didn't like each other back then, but now something's changed. Again, and this is for if you haven't met the person, or maybe like if you have met the person and this is like a story of how you met, and if it resonates, that's fine. If this is like a crush, as long as it resonates, that's what matters most. So yeah, it's where was I? Oh yeah, so basically, if it could be that this is someone that you know of. Also, it could be someone that you know of, you haven't met but you know of them, maybe like a friend's friend, or someone who you may have known in the past, or literally past life relationship, or they see you as their twin flame, or they feel a sense of recognition within you, or a lot of alls, because like this is for different people, so depending on which one resonates, it could be all three of, or it could be all of them also. So Six of Cups, they may also see you, feel that you mirror them, or they mirror you. You're a mirror of each other. I need to drink some water, excuse me. So reason why I don't edit my videos, I'm not sure if if you've watched some other videos before, but when I edit my videos, I have to do so on the computer. And if I want to do so on the computer, I upload on my computer as well. And then the Wi-Fi will be down for who knows how long. And with no Wi-Fi and other people living here, that would be unfair to them. So I just record and upload on my phone, and maybe just add a thumbnail sometimes on the computer. So yeah. So wedding, trust, new love. Also with the new love card, okay, with the trust card, okay, with the wedding card, they do see you as their one. They do see a long-term relationship with you, or rather, they want a long-term relationship with you. If you're already together, then they are happy, satisfied with the relationship. If you don't believe in marriage, then they just simply want something long-term with you, something stable, earthly, like the King of Pentacles. With the trust card, I do sense that they do trust you. They believe in you, and they believe you, like, basically straightforward, they trust you. And a new love, if it's that the case that you haven't met this person yet, maybe meeting them very soon, or just simply letting you know that there is new love on the way, or if this is like a crush, then it could be that maybe, well, I don't know, new love might not really resonate with you if this is a crush, unless you see something else in that message. It could be for some of you a signal to maybe go ahead and make the romantic gesture, but that is a different card in this deck, so it's not here right now. But if you do feel that did resonate, then that's fine. But again, the decision is up to you. If this is someone you are already in a relationship with, then I am seeing with the new love card simply that either your relationship is going through a new stage, or you're learning new things about each other. Okay, Four of Pentacles. Yeah, I think I already mentioned that. Yeah, they see you as someone who's good at saving money. And knows how to spend it responsibly. I already mentioned that. I'll leave the Pentacles for now. Well, I'll just leave the Pentacles. Four of Wands, I've mentioned dancing. They may see you as someone who's like quite extroverted for some of you. They may also quite like your body. And with the, so yeah, this card is the one that really, like, a lot of things came out to me with this card, the Three of Wands. I want to look at it. I don't like really looking at it through the camera lens. It just makes me feel so uncomfortable. Okay, so with this card, I am seeing, okay, so you can see something is still nice, nice view. Hey, there. I'll fix it. Okay, I won't bother with it. Okay, so with the Three of Wands, they do see you as quite mysterious and deep. They do want to learn quite a lot about you. And, like, what's really catching me with this is the ocean and the sky, actually. Like, okay, the ocean and the sky are very similar. They're both deep, dark, and scary, full of unknown things. But still, we are curious about what's in both of them. We're curious about, like, what's in space, and we're curious about what's deep down in the ocean. It's scary, but we want to know. So they may be sometimes, for some of you, they may feel at times intimidated by you, or maybe the relationship has some down times. but they still want to go on. They want to learn more. They want to see how far they can go with you and explore with you, learn more about you. Even your negatives, even your scary sides, they still appreciate it. And they want to know, they want to go deeper and deeper and deeper and learn more and more and more. Like how people are drawn to space, basically, and how people are drawn to the water. As scary as space is, like think of it, it's vastness, a vast, or not, or actually 99.9% of space or the world is empty apparently. I learned that recently. Yeah, 99.9999. But yeah, so they want to venture deep and think about the water. Ocean is very, very, very deep. A lot to like learn from that, and we've barely even like learned. We've basically barely touched the surface with the oceans, and same thing with the sky, of space. And think about how those two are like a mirror almost. The ocean down here, the sky up here, facing each other, almost like the ocean reflecting the sky. Though the sky doesn't reflect the ocean. Similar to that six of cups. You see, you have the water here, kind of reflecting the sky. So maybe it's both of you wanting to learn a lot about each other. They feel I don't know if this is the word. They feel a sense of mutuality, like a mutual sense of deep love with you, or they will, if this is a future thing. And they do see a long-lasting relationship ahead. They do see distance. I felt a vibration. I don't know, like at the tip of my finger, I felt a vibration when I said that. My elbow's hurting. Okay, so also they may want to travel with you. Again, I'm seeing they want to explore with you and they want to explore you. Again, they see you as very deep, not just in the sense of having a lot to learn about you, but you may be quite deep in sense of your knowledge. And the way you talk about really, I guess, deep things. Very, yeah, that's the only word I can think of right now. Deep things. You talk about deep things. Maybe like the meaning of life, the mysteries of life and stuff like that. But they do enjoy it and they want to learn more. And you do have your weird sides. You have your very weird sides. And there's still so much more about you that they don't know. Like, even if you've known each other for a long time, I feel like there's so much they don't know about you. They may also feel like you're very curious. So they see you as quite curious. Maybe a bit adventurous as well. Committed, I'm seeing, because this is a long journey. It's not something you really do on a whim. It's something you have to, like, once you're on that journey, you go on it for a long time. So I'm saying they do see commitment with you and they do see commitment in the relationship. They do see the relationship lasting a long, long time. And this could also be the relationship being a deep journey where you learn a lot together. So they feel the relationship is or will be a deep journey where they learn a lot with you about the world, about each other. Again, that sky and ocean, about each other, and that sense of as above, so below, literally below and above, sky and the oceans. It's really interesting how both sky and oceans are both so mysterious and dark, actually. Like, they look bright on the surface. Both of them look bright on the surface, but once you go deeper, it gets darker. And they're both full of mysteries. Where was I? So yeah, and this is called being in a sense of both you and the ocean, and there's this clarity as well. The sky is quite clear and the ocean is quite clear, apart from the few should I call it waves or ripples, or it looks almost like silk. So that clarity again being the trust. They feel the sense of clarity with you, and that clarity is again like in this little, let's call it a pond because it's quite a small bit of water. So yeah, this sense of having clarity with you, maybe even like in terms of goals and intentions being clear. So they feel like it's not that the sense of having negative intentions or bad, I guess. The word bad, I don't know. I don't want to use the word bad, but I guess I'll just use it for now. The word bad intentions. They do feel the sense of clarity and knowing what each other wants. Maybe even achieving goals together as well. I'm seeing achieving milestones with that boat. Accomplishing quite a lot together and learning more about the world together. Keyword being together. So it's that I feel like it's like you're both separate people, but they also see both of you as the same person at the same time. So separate people and at the same as the same person at the same time, both learning about each other and the world. And I do see with this card as well, like the two children, it's like they're exploring the world, exploring what's around them. Out of, like they're very curious about their surroundings, and it looks like the girl, the one with the long hair, is playing with a bit of, is that grass? I'm not sure. So yeah, I'm seeing again exploring the world and learning more about the world, together as well. For some of you, it could be that you're from the same place as this person, so from a similar area, or have similar goals. Okay, I'll leave it there. 15 minutes. Oh, what's my battery percentage? Never mind, I won't touch that. Okay, so thanks. Oh, wait, I didn't talk about the Seven of Cups. Okay, real quick. Seven of Cups. So I touched the camera, so hopefully didn't meddle with it too much. But Seven of Cups, again, I'm seeing a lot to learn about. You have that mermaid here again. Stuff like sky stuff and water stuff. A sense of uniqueness as well. And vastness. But I'll leave it there. And you have that sky again. So where the focus... Well, the focus is both here. The focus is the sky here. But you have that sky here again. So you may also like have like dreams you want to achieve together. Anyways, thanks for all. Gosh. Try to escape. Seven of Cups, try to escape. And the King of Pentacles. Thanks for watching. If you liked, you can like, share, comment, and subscribe. Hopefully this did resonate.